and friends! Welcome back to my channel. So today is our 11th day of vacation. Now we're back in Germany and we're in a beautiful town of Würzburg. So it's a famous town here in Bavaria, a little bit southern of Germany, southern east. It's specifically a Franconia region. They're famous of their wines, Franconian wines, and of course their Gothic and Rococo architecture design. So we're gonna tour around their city center, and later we're gonna go up the hill to the castle. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Let's get! We started our city tour in Markt Garage, where we parked our car. From here, you will be amazed of the Marienkapelle, a Roman Catholic church located at the Untermarkt or Market Square. It was built in the Gothic style in the 14th century. Despite its large size, it is a chapel by status, as it does not have any parish. Today, it is administered by the United Parishes of the Würzburg Cathedral and the Neumünster. Neumünster is a collegiate church in Würzburg, Germany. This church dates back to 1065 in Baroque and Romanesque style. Strolling around this beautiful city is such a feast to our eyes, as it is known for its lavish Baroque and Rococo architecture, particularly the 18th century residence palace with ornate rooms, a huge fresco by Venetian artist Tiepolo, and an elaborate staircase. Home to numerous wine bars, cellars, and wineries, Würzburg is indeed a center of the Franconian wine country, with its distinctive box bottle or bottle with flattened round shapes. We wouldn't miss the perfect view here by the river of the Marienberg Fortress. Just across the street by the River Main, you will find a perfect spot for relaxing and play around with your kids in this beautiful ring park. Court Gardens. Wow, ganda. Welcome to the Hof Garden of Court Garden. Mga cut ng trees. Super nice. Well uniformed, and this is the residence Würzburg. The Würzburg Residence is a palace in Würzburg with interiors considered masterworks of Baroque or Rococo or Neoclassical architecture, and art include the grand staircase, the chapel, and the imperial hall. The building was reportedly called the largest parsonage in Europe by Napoleon. It was heavily damaged by Allied bombing during the World War II, and restoration has been in progress since 1945. Since 1981, the residence has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Even the trees, they're making an arc shape. Super nice. Incredibly beautiful. Lecker aus. Yummy. This is no sugar chocolate ice cream gelato. Super yummy. Daming selections. Oh. It's lantern. It's not balloon. It's lantern. Lantern. After our walking tour in the city center, we decided to go up to the Marienberg Fortress and see its beauty up close. The Marienberg Fortress was the seat of the Würzburg bishops from 1250 onwards. They enlarged the medieval castle, transforming it initially into a fortified Renaissance palace and finally into a Baroque fortress. Today, it houses the Prince Building Museum and the main Franconian Museum. the city. The splendid view of the city of Würzburg from the Prince Garden is definitely one of the highlights of the Marienberg. There's the test center, Corona Test Center. On your right. And that concludes our 12-day vacation in west of Germany and Alsace region in France. As always, every trip ends with a beautiful smile. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!